Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So now we are officially targeting BARC Technical Officer recruitment in our Master pack. Okay, so in Master pack you can see the folder. Okay, and in this video I will give you detailed information about our Master pack and how to join Master pack if you are serious for BARC and other recruitments. Let's start the video. Okay, so those who already connected to the channel, you don't need to watch this video because you already have the idea about Master Success Pack. Okay, this video is specifically for new students, those who are connected in a recent days, so that they will get proper idea about this MSP. Okay, so what is the purpose? That is most important. See, whenever you are purchasing something, the purpose you should know, right? Now, the first and very important purpose of Master Success Pack is in same fee you can target multiple recruitments. Okay, so like this only I will make the video where I will announce that okay, this recruitment we are targeting. Okay, so like that basically what will happen, that you can target multiple recruitments at same fee. No need to pay fee again and again for different success pack. Definitely you need to pay form fee. Okay, that is not in your hand, but this master pack fee you need to pay only once. Okay, this is the primary purpose for which your master pack is made, especially for general OBC and EWS candidate. Then second is obviously it is most affordable because you can see the pricing will be 799 for 6 months. Okay, and 1499 for total 14 months. Okay, so it is a super affordable solution which you will get from on this channel. Now very much important that if you are seriously preparing for exams, then only join it, otherwise no need to join, because I want only serious student. Okay, you can see consistent selection till now I am giving in PSUs and central government. So definitely that dedication you should have, otherwise it is no use to just join it and just forget it, right? It is not the thing. I want this selection manner for which I am working very hard, and definitely you will also work hard for that. Okay, so it is very important that your desire to be an officer, to be an engineer, to be an scientist is super strong, should be super strong, correct? Okay, now why to join our MSP? So first thing, it will be your one-to-one guidance. It is not like that other coaching industries, whatever coaching companies are there, they directly just want to sell their courses, right? It is not like that. Basically my target is to give selection, so one-to-one guidance will be there for you guys for every recruitment whatever we will target. Okay, second thing is most important, that exam specific process. So it is not like that I will only give you mock test and I will say okay bye now. Okay, it is not like that. Whatever process will be there which will ensure your final selection. Okay, whether it is your CBT, whether it is your interview, whether it is your PI and GD and GT, whatever, all things we will cover in your MSP. Okay, so main thing, in the start only I told you that my target is to give selection, and obviously we will get selection by clearing each and every stages like CBT, interview, like that. Okay, so each and everything you will get here. No need to again purchase anything separately. Okay, the third and most important reason, obviously consistent selections in all PSU and central government we are getting. Okay, so definitely I don't need to tell anything about myself. You can see the testimonials, you can see the feedback of the student, and then you can decide whether you want to join or not. Okay, definitely if you are serious, and specifically if your BRC exam is last attempt, then strictly I will recommend join our MSP. Okay, next, now see basically which plan you should join, right? So see basically for BRC, if you are targeting BRC alone, then 6 months will be enough. Okay, because BRC will conclude their recruitment, whole recruitment process within 6 months. Okay, but if you want to target other recruitment also, then you can join 14 months. Okay, now how to join 14 months and 6 months? So here you can see the video. First step is to download our application, and second step, click on store. Okay, search your mastership pack. If you are from electrical, electronics, communication, computer science, okay, just open that, and then you can see below option to choose 6 months or 14 months. Okay, so depending on you, you can choose. Now let me give you quickly overview that currently what we are doing in our mastership pack, currently which recruitment we are targeting in our mastership pack. Okay, as on 17th May 2023 I am writing. So first ICIT Scientist B we are targeting. Okay, exam is scheduled on 21st of May. Then NIC all posts we are targeting. Okay, third will be your BRC training officer. So currently mock test is going on and other guidance is going on about exam specific guidance, I can say, about block wise strategy and everything. Okay, then in IGP, that is interview guidance program, your BDL management trainee we are targeting. Then NTRO technical assistant, okay, we will soon expecting the result, so that interview we will targeting. And Samir Scientist B, already we had exam of Samir today, so definitely interview process you will get here. Okay, so currently you can see in same fee, if you have field multiple applications for ICIT suppose, BDL suppose or Samir suppose, so in one fee you can target all these things. right? So that is the beauty and that is the power of our MSP. So this is for electronics communication student. Then for electrical, ICRT scientist B, BRC technical officer we are targeting. Okay. Then BDL MT, NTRO and Samir scientist B interview we are doing. Computer science, ICRT, BRC and NIC we are targeting. BDL and NTRO interview we will do. Okay. So this is the update regarding your master's pack. Right. Now how to join and how it looks vagara. Let's see. Okay, now in the comment box of this video you will get all the links, whether you are from computer science, whether you are from electronics, whether you are from electrical. Okay, so based on your branch, select your master's pack and click on the link. So this page will open. Now here by default you can see 799 price. Okay, but here if you just scroll down, then you can see here 6 months validity. Okay, so now suppose if you want to join 14 months, then download our application, because here it is written download app to purchase a different course validity. Okay, so application you can download and then based on that select your 14 months plan and then you can purchase that. Okay, and you can join MSP. Right, now every detail regarding our MSP, regarding the things already I wrote here, so you can just read from here. Okay sir, just click on read more. Okay, now see, basically this is the interesting part, that what is there in your MSP. Okay, so see what I told you, the price 799 and 1499. Okay, see, you will get first Qbox, whose individual price is 550 rupees. Okay, which will definitely help you to prepare for non-technical part like aptitude, reasoning, English, then general awareness, okay, general studies, etc. So from Qbox definitely you will get good question to practice about non-technical part, right? Then second is magazine box, whose individual price is 499. Okay, magazine box will help you to prepare for current affairs. So some exams have current affairs section. Okay, so from magazine box and Qbox combinedly we can target current affair, right? Then English ebook is there, which will help you to develop your English thing. Okay, then electronics ebook is there for electronics, for electrical, so electrical ebook is there. For computer science currently ebook is not available. Okay, it is under process. So once it will get done, definitely I will update you on YouTube. Okay, then mock test and guidance you have, definitely how to crack exam. Okay, how to write paper, everything, every detailed thing we have here. And this thing we have 1-to-1 also and generalize also. Okay, where I just give guidance generally. Okay, in your mentor talk folder I will upload the video, I will show you how it looks, right? And the last, which is most powerful, that is our block wise strategy, with which you will get complete preparation and your complete practice for whatever exam you are targeting. Okay, exam specific sheets you will get, so based on that you will practice, right? Okay, and other things also you can see here, specifically validity. So here you can see your master's pack, if you purchase for 14 months then it will be 12 plus 2. Okay, Qbox you will get for 1 year irrespective of your purchase plan, whether it is 799, 1499. Okay, this will remain, all this remain same. Qbox 1 year, Maxi box 1 year, English book lifetime. Okay, electronics ebook 1 year and MSPUT you are 1 year. Okay, and other things, other details you can read here like that. Okay, now here when you will click on the content, you can see the multiple exam folders which we are targeting. Okay, so currently we are targeting Samir, then NILET, ICRT, NIC, BRC technical officer. Okay, so all the things you will get under your folder. Suppose you are just want to target BRC, so just in BRC when you will click, okay, every detail, every guideline you will get here along with mock test. Okay, everything you will get in your BRC folder. Similarly for each every exam we have different folders based on the exam which you are targeting. You can just access and you can grab the content. Okay, so this is all about your MSP. Now, okay, then you can see here extra folder. Now in this folder basically we are continuously upgrading the things, so that's why the name is extra. It is non-commitment folder. Okay, time to time we are updating everything here. So currently quant, reasoning, English video lectures are there. Technical for electronics notes are there. For electrical, computer science, okay, there is nothing in technical part. So like this, time to time we are upgrading, that's why the name is extra. And here you can see the interview guidance programs, whatever interview guidance program currently we are doing. Okay, that information you will get here, like KVS, WE and BDL, etc. Okay, so this is the thing about your MSP. And when you will join, our team will guide you that how, what is the process, everything. Okay, 1-to-1 call will get scheduled where I will guide you personally that how you can prepare and everything. Okay, how we will conduct. So basically it is not like a whole course where I am just selling it on masses. Okay, it is not like that. 1-to-1 till your selection I am there with you. Okay, so no need to worry. And here already the video is there that our previous selected student, so definitely this video will always motivate you and inspire you to prepare well for your examination. Okay, so now you can join MSP, and if you have any query, any doubt, you can just mail on apnagovernmentjob@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp on 9653695827. Okay, this is the WhatsApp number, so you can just WhatsApp on this thing. Definitely I will help you in your decision. Okay, all the best.